What if gravity just turned off? Imagine it. You're sitting at your desk, scrolling through videos, and suddenly your coffee mug, your phone, even you, all start floating into the air. Sounds fun, right? But here's the twist. If gravity vanished for even a single second, the entire world as we know it would fall apart. Literally. Let's break this down, because the reality is way crazier than you think. First of all, gravity isn't just what keeps us from floating away. It's what holds the atmosphere in place, keeps the ocean stuck to Earth, and stops the moon from drifting off into space. So if gravity suddenly switched off, even for a blink of an eye, the consequences would be instant and catastrophic. Right away, everything not physically bolted down would start drifting upward. You, your pets, your furniture, gone. Cars would veer off the ground, planes would lose control, and skyscrapers would tear apart from the inside. Within seconds, it would look like the world turned into a giant zero-gravity space station. But it gets scarier. The air itself, the oxygen you're breathing, wouldn't stay on Earth anymore. The atmosphere would immediately start to peel away into space like steam escaping a kettle. You'd have maybe a few seconds of breathable air before it thinned out so much you'd black out. Without gravity, Earth couldn't hold on to its protective blanket of air, meaning the planet would basically suffocate. And then there's the oceans. Imagine every wave, every drop, lifting off the surface and spreading outward. Tsunamis wouldn't crash down, they'd float up. Entire seas would break apart and drift away into space. Earth would be left a dry, lifeless rock, stripped of water and air in the blink of an eye. Now here's something even crazier. Gravity is also what holds the Earth together. Without it, the planet's molten core, rocks, and layers would start to loosen and drift apart. You wouldn't just lose the oceans, you'd lose the planet itself. Earth would crumble into chunks, breaking apart like a fragile sandcastle hit by a wave. It sounds like science fiction, but this is pure physics. Our entire existence depends on this invisible force. And here's a mind-blowing fact. Gravity is actually the weakest of the 4 fundamental forces in physics. But even though it's weak, it acts over huge distances, which is why it's so dominant in shaping planets, stars, and galaxies. Without it, the universe would be unrecognizable. Now, before we go deeper into what this means for the solar system and the universe itself, take a second and hit that subscribe button. I post videos every week about mind-bending science questions, just like this one. If you're enjoying this what-if scenario, subscribing means you won't miss the next one. Alright, let's get back to the madness. So, without gravity holding Earth in orbit, we'd instantly fly off our path around the sun. The planet, and whatever's left of it, would just shoot out in a straight line through space. Over time, the entire solar system would unravel. The moon would drift off, planets would wander into the void, and even the sun wouldn't be able to keep burning as it does because gravity is what keeps nuclear fusion going in its core. No gravity, no sun, and galaxies? They'd just dissolve. Billions of stars drifting apart like grains of dust in the wind. The universe itself would go dark and cold, everything scattered. No structures, no planets, no stars. Just emptiness. So, what started as a fun thought experiment, floating around your room without gravity, actually ends with the complete destruction of everything, which shows just how fragile reality really is, and how dependent life is on forces we can't even see. But here's the silver lining. Gravity isn't just going to turn off. The laws of physics don't allow it. Gravity isn't a switch that can be flipped. It's a property of mass itself. As long as the Earth, the Sun, and the universe have mass, gravity will always be there. And honestly, that's the only reason we're alive to even ask these crazy questions. So the next time you drop your phone and curse gravity, just remember, without it, you wouldn't be here at all. And now I want to hear from you. If gravity disappeared for 1 second only, what's the first thing you'd do? Would you try to fly? Would you hold on to something? Drop your answers in the comments because I'm curious to see how creative you get with this wild scenario. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, gravity may keep you on the ground, but curiosity is what lifts your mind. See you in the next video.